Today I'm going to bring the grill of the tractor home so I can fix it. It has a lot of dents, some cracks, and I'm going to install a new headlight. So let's go to the workshop. There are some dents that I need to remove. The previous owner was drilling some holes here and here, and I made these round tabs out of metal. So my idea is just put them in the back, weld them, and just grind them flush. So to remove some of the dents, I'm going to be using a set of hammers and a dolly, which has a flat and a flat in this side, so I can use it to remove every bump. I don't have a lot of experience working on metal sheet, but at least I think I can push some of the bumps in. I mean, this is a tractor, so the finish doesn't need to be showroom level. So I'm putting this dolly in the back and pushing the dents down. So I'm just checking for flatness. Here there is a high spot. And this is very fine metal sheet, so it doesn't require too much strength. Next, I'm going to take care of this weld. I don't know who did it. I'm not a welder myself, but oh my god. So before I touch up this weld, I'm going to grind it down, and I'm using the full eyes goggles because I learned the hard way the consequences of not wearing good, proper safety glasses like this one, especially when grinding, and it wasn't pretty. Look what I found below the weld. Big crack all over. This 2.5A. Well, I just hope that I can do at least better than what I had before. Wow, what a hole. It definitely made it worse. I told you I was no welder. Jeez. Looking horrible, looking horrible. I read once somebody saying that if you have to grind after a weld, you are not a welder, you're a grinder. And that's me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this. It looks pretty bad. For sure, it has to be something wrong with the gas. Alright, let's do some grinding. Let's see what's behind all this mess. I mean, it is what it is. Now it's welded, there is no crack. It's not pretty though. And to cover these holes, I'm going to put these metal round pieces that I made and weld them up and then grind it from the front side. Now a little bit of fine tuning. I'm pretty much done with the grill. I'm going to go prime it, paint it, and I'll be back. So here's the grill, prime and painted. I think it came out really good. So the next thing I'm going to do is installing these headlights. And pretty much I think the headlight is adjusted. I will have to adjust the level when the bulbs are on, which at the moment I don't have any bulbs. I ordered them on internet and they'll come in a couple of weeks. And once I have the bulbs, I will connect these cable connectors. I have to get them together, and originally it should go to a connector that is missing right here with 3 prongs that attach the other side of the tractor. Since I don't have that, which I found on Greece for $50, way too expensive, I'm gonna make just a connector that I will connect in the other cable over here. Have so far done 2 out of the 3. Need to put the right cable. Now one more thing I'm going to be doing is trying to spray paint the logo. So what I did is I printed the logo in paper, and I'm going to see if I can trace it with painter's tape and spray paint it white. This is 18. The bottom is going to be right here. Having a flashlight laying on top of the grill will help to see the template underneath better, and it's going to help cutting much better. More. This is making a logo on a low budget. Alright, so this is not dry yet, but I'm going to try to remove the masking. You got a little bit of white paint over here that I need to touch up. But let's see how it looks. Check this out. For a quick and dirty job, I think it came out pretty good. So now that the grill is complete, let's go to the tractor and put it on. And here we have it, the grill restored. Let's see how it looks like. It looks like brand new. Well, almost. I think the grill came out really nice. Once I get the bulbs, I'm going to be working on the wiring, making sure that they're working. But for now, there's no more work on the grill. Till next time, thank you for watching.